Settings File Tails. On this tab, you can see a table of your file tail watchers. They watch for changes in the files. They produce an event when a non-empty line is added to the file, followed by a new line. If multiple lines are added at once, an event will be produced for each line. If lines are removed and added, an event will only be triggered if the number of lines is greater than before. Otherwise, no event will be produced. You can change the width of all columns by dragging the separators. If you double-click on a separator, the column will resize to fit the width of its largest value. You can't sort or filter anything in this table. In the table you can see name, the name you assign to the watcher. File path, the full path to the file being watched. Enabled indicates whether the watcher is enabled and can produce events. If it's disabled, the text in the row will turn red. If you right-click anywhere on the empty space in this area, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add opens a dialog to add a new watcher. In the Add dialog you have Enabled sets the state of the watcher. Name, the name of the watcher. File, the path to the file you want to watch for changes. To select the file, click on this button and choose the desired file or create a new one. If you double-click on a watcher, it will open the Edit dialog. If you right-click on any single watcher, you will see the following options. Add opens the dialog to add a new watcher. Edit opens the Edit dialog for the selected watcher. Delete deletes the selected watcher. Be careful, there is no confirmation prompt, it will be deleted immediately. If any triggers are using this watcher, they will stop working. Beware, when you create a watcher, it is assigned a unique internal ID. If you add back a watcher, even with the same settings, triggers will not revert to it automatically, because they were connected to the old internal ID, not the name you see in this table. Enabled toggles the enabled state of the selected watcher.